In this video, they give us that tickets to Universal Studios cost $136 for adults and $130 for children. But they don't tell us how many adults and how many children attended. So that's our unknowns. That's what we have to figure out. So I'm going to call the number of adults A and the number of children C. So on one day, 26,473 guests, that is adults and children combined, attended Universal Studios. So that means whatever A is, if we add it to C, that gives us 26,473. Now that's one equation, but we have two variables. So this isn't solvable yet because when we have two variables, we need two equations. But let's keep reading. So 26,473 guests attended Universal Studios and $3,496,948 is collected at the ticket office. This information is what gives us our second equation because each adult is going to pay $136. So we don't know how many adults there were, but 136A is how much money was taken from to get the adults to enter. Now, same thing for children, except the children paid $130. And so this is how much the adults spent. This is how much was spent on children. And in all, we have $3,496,948. Now, what we have is we have a system of equations here. And we want to solve this. And one way to do this is called by combining. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this equation up top and I'm going to multiply the whole thing by negative 136. So if I multiply negative 136 by A, I have negative 136A. If I multiply negative 136 by C, minus 136C. And if I multiply negative 136 by 26,473, let's get a calculator. 26,473 times 136. There we go. We get negative 3,600,328. Now, this equation right here is basically the same thing as this top one. We just multiplied it by negative 136. So I can kind of forget that that's there right now and just look at these two. Now if I combine them, notice what happens. The A's cancel. And so what will happen is when we combine this, the A's go away and we have, when we combine the C's, positive 130C minus 136C is negative 6C. And then if we combine these numbers, 3,496,948 minus 3,600,328, we get negative 103,380. But now we have one equation with one variable. So to solve this, we just divide by negative 6. And so we get C equal to 17,230, which is the number of children. And this is why we multiply the equation by negative 136, is because we wanted the adults to cancel out, because we wanted the number of children. So that's the number of children, that's our answer, and we're done.